Yeah. Stop scrolling, you can't outrun light. Not even in a spaceship flex. Looks simple, just go faster, but physics and that's kept next. You think it's engine power, just upgrade a level like for the universe. Got a speed limit sign you can't finesse. Light moves at 290, massive and 92 kilometers per second. Not fast, ridiculous. Cosmic weapon, looks beatable. Like bro, just push harder. But that number's the final boss. Starter the harder. You can't go faster than light. No cheat code, genetic. You can't go faster than light. That speed limit's high. You can't go faster than light. Energy goes in infinite high. You can't go faster than light. Einstein was the faster you move, the heavier you get. Not gym heavy, physics dead. Mass levels up at velocity climb. You hit light speed, your mass goes prime. To push that weight, you need more juice, more speed, more energy boost. Hit the limit and guess what, bro? Energy required, infinite, yo. You can't go faster than light. No cheat code tonight. This ain't go faster than light. That speed limit's high. You can't go faster than light. Energy goes infinite slows down when you move that quick. Clock goes glitch, that's relativistic. Looks like sci-fi movie trip, but astronauts say slow, that's legit. Space and time relate, no split speed bends both, that's the twist. Light speed isn't just really fast, it's built into reality's cast. You can't go faster than light. No cheat code tonight. You can't go faster than light. That's the limit's high. You can't go faster than light. Energy goes infinite So warm drop ride, would you hop that ride? Or respect the cosmic speed limit, son. Comment below, your team Einstein or team sci-fi. Either way, light spins till the boss fight.